Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have a Nissan Altima. This car have a problem. You can see here malfunction, accident warning light. You can see here malfunction, see owner's manual not available. This is blind spot system. Okay, today I will show why this warning light came, what is the problem actually, why this all the warning light came. So first of all, you have to scan your car with the diagnosis tool. Check all issue. In radar there is some fault, so now we check front radar, read code. CAN communication circuit electrical fault. In radar there is no communication. We check another fault. See, when I check with my diagnosis, all are CAN communication circuit, U1000, U1000, all are CAN communication circuit faulty. I think somewhere wiring damage or something. See, radar and front parking sensor, every wire communication problem. CAN communication circuit, CAN communication circuit. Okay.